beaders, it's Gina from OrchidandOpal.com. I have another beadboxbargains.com haul for you guys today. I want to welcome all of my new subscribers and everybody else, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, beadboxbargains.com is the sister site to one of my very favorite bead and jewelry making subscription boxes called the Bargain Bead Box, and every month they include a coupon code with the subscription box. Usually it's about 30% off your order, where you can go on their sister site and order sometimes additional product of things that were in the subscription box, but mostly you'll find other great deals on beads and findings at closeout prices. Their stock does change over quite often, so it's definitely worth a peek regularly at their site, especially if you get that discount code. You can get some extra great deals. So I'm just back again sharing with you guys what I got this month, and as you can see, this is my total. I did use the coupon code from the last box, so I was able to save a little bit more, and then shipping in the US is typically about $3.75. So all in all, this order was about $30. So let's check it out and see what I got this month. They have everything wrapped up really good, and I've placed so many orders with them. They do provide me with some store credit in order to share some products with you guys, but I have been a shopper with them for quite a while, and I'm always pleased with what I can find. So here's their card with their website on it and their information. They always include a little free gift with order, and look at the free gift I got. I'm so excited about this. That's an awesome free gift, and actually I'm planning to do a tutorial on something that involves this particular style pendant very soon, and I'm really excited that they included that. That's perfect timing. Alright, so the first item I want to share with you guys is a bag of findings. So these are some twisted knot links in an antique gold color. I love how they have the different openings there. It makes a lot of possibilities in jewelry making, so I always like to stock up on connectors like that whenever I can. Those were only 89 cents for the bag. Then there's this bag of, they're called oval budding branch links in antique silver, and these were 99 cents for the two, and I just thought they were really cute. They could be incorporated into a pendant or used as connectors in a necklace, for example, or I think they would make a fantastic bracelet with maybe just some colorful suede cord on each side. So there's a lot of options for these as well. Then I was able to pick up another bag of these triangle toggle clasps. These had come in one of the recent subscription boxes, and I had used these as connectors, and I shared that project in a video about a month ago, so I wanted to pick up another bag of these, first of all because I don't have a lot of copper findings, but also because I think these triangles are really unique, and once things are gone on their website, they are usually gone, so I went ahead and grabbed those for 99 cents, and again, I was able to use that 30% off discount code, so that always helps as well. Then I picked up this little bag of bird spacer beads. These were only 50 cents, and these are in an antique silver tone. They're really tiny, and I just thought they were different and really cute. Can't really tell what they are until you look up close. There's the hole going up and down through there. So I had to pick those up. They were so inexpensive and different. Alright, so the next bag I have, these are spacer beads. And nothing too exciting, but they are in a Kansas City gold finish, so I've been on the hunt for some more toned down gold findings, so I was happy to see those. And these were 89 cents per bag. I grabbed 2 bags of these, so it's kind of hard to tell the difference in the gold color, but if I put it next to this gold chain, you can definitely tell the difference there. So I'm looking for more of this toned down color just because I tend to favor that more than the yellow, but I still use both. So that brings me to my next set of items. So I was able to grab all different colors of chain. This is one of my favorite places to get chain that is really inexpensive, and as you can see there's all different colors here. I usually grab these when I can on their website. These were 99 cents a bag except for the copper finish, which was 79 cents. And this is all steel chain with different colored finishes on it. And each bag contains about a meter, so about 3 feet, close to that of chain, which can go a fairly long way. So if you're looking for chain, definitely check out their website from time to time if you want to stock up on that. And now on to the beads. So first I got a bag of these 6mm glass faceted round beads in Garnet, and these were only 59 cents for the strand. And these are really interesting. It's kind of hard to tell, but if you look close, like the outer layer of glass is clear around these beads, and then inside they are red. So that's a nice amount of beads for 59 cents before the discount. Kind of remind me a little bit of Czech fire polish beads. Next up, I grabbed another one of these pendants, just like that free one that they included. This is a Hematite Fan Pendant, quite reflective, and this was only $1.49. I'm hoping to do another tutorial that involves these gemstone pendants soon, so that's why I wanted to grab another one of those. Next up, we have this very juicy looking strand. This is a 15-inch strand of 10mm faceted agate round beads in red orange. These were $4.99. And here is a good look at these up close so you can see all the different variations in color. You can see the lighter reds, the darker reds, some more orangey pieces, some that are almost clear, and then you can get a peek at that faceting that is on these as I move them around. I just love how vibrant these are. And if you're looking for gemstone beads for really great prices, that's another reason to check out their site too. Like I said, their stock rotates frequently, so most times you'll go on, you'll see something different each time. But it's a great way to build up your stash of gemstone beads. I have a lot of these haul videos and you can definitely check back on them. And if you watch through those, you can get an idea of all the different things I've been able to get on their site over the past year or so. And then next up are these bags of he-she beads. These are one of the most expensive things that I've picked up on their site at just around 10 bucks for both of these strands. These are nice long strands. They're 15 inches. And as you can see, there's two different sizes here. I did have to look up how to pronounce this because I wasn't exactly sure. They are spelled H-E-I-S-H-E, he-she, and that's referring to the shape of these. As you can see, they're small disc or tube-like shaped beads. And evidently the Pueblo people in New Mexico used beads like this long ago before using metal in their jewelry. So there's a little history lesson for you and me in this little bead video. But as you can see, these are just a very light pink. They almost match my skin tone. There's just slight variations in the color, but they are called pink opal. So of course I had to pick them up. I just don't really have many beads this shape, so I thought it would be a nice thing to add to my collection. And that light pink is so pretty. So that's what I was able to pick up again this month from beadboxbargains.com. Again, I'll leave the link to their website down below as well as the link to their subscription box. It's a really popular one. There's also a $2 off coupon code that you can use for your first month if you haven't tried it out yet. I highly recommend it. Feel free to leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you've gotten anything recently from Beadbox Bargains or what you've been up to. It's always great to hear from you guys. Don't forget, I also have that $100 Amazon.com giveaway still going on right now, so if you haven't entered that, definitely go check it out. It's super easy. All you have to do is be a subscriber and leave a comment, and that giveaway will close on Friday. I can't wait to see who wins. I love having you guys here, and it's just a fun way for me to spoil somebody. So thank you guys so much again for being with me for another bead haul video. I can't wait to be back soon with more tutorials, more finished jewelry updates, subscription unboxings, all the things. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and as always, happy beading. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of my latest videos. Check out the information section under the video for links to my social media handles and other helpful info, and feel free to check out my shop at orchidandopal.com. Thanks for watching!